Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I know it's been a while since I haven't uploaded, but today I'm here with a great content. I've been going to the store, buying some few stuff. Hopefully this video could be a good inspiring video so you can relate and do stuff, for the people, for our community and all. But I wasn't expecting to be so dark. We're getting in winter right now, so it's kind of getting too late. I mean dark already around 5 o'clock. So hopefully this video can be a really good video, and hopefully it's going to be inspiring. And if you're new, just subscribe to the YouTube channel because we're going up. So
Abraham?
Yeah.
What a cool name.
So I'm here to help you with few stuff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You probably need some few stuff, right?
Always.
So I don't know. You can
Nice.
probably, yeah.
Perfect guy.
So you have here like some, toothpaste,
Wicked. Deodorant.
and all.
Is that Dove soap, guys? Come on. Yes, man. I'm allergic to the stuff
Yeah.
that they put. No, not Dove. Dove. I swear, I love Dove, man. Yeah. Where I go sometimes at day center during the day and shower, they have the soap that's there. It makes me rash.
So this is
gives me a rash.
This is the
Oh man, I love Dove, guys.
I'm happy to
I'm happy to you. Thank you for helping me out.
How long is it? By any chance?
4 years, I think.
4 years?
Yeah.
Damn. It's gotta be tough.
It can be.
But making small stuff like that can make a big difference,
Big difference.
I'm really happy for it.
Thank you.
I don't have a coins right now, but hopefully you can really get through with this.
You sure, man?
Alright.
Thanks a lot, man.
It was a pleasure. Take care.
God bless you, brother.
You too.
Yeah, man.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Hi. I'm just here to help, actually.
Okay.
My name is Ibrahim. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Steve.
Steve. How long you been here? Like, it's really cold, right?
I've been here for a month.
For a month?
In this spot.
Damn. It's really hard. I'm sorry, like, I really don't have gloves, but I'm, like, recording this, to be able, like, to inspire others to do the same. Because we really gotta help our community and all. So, I got, like, some toothbrush and some lip balm, cream, and, deodorant, and some, shampoo and all. Whatever you can do with it, just to clean yourself. Because you gotta be tough, I know. And I'm sorry, I could have even give you some money, but I don't really have anything. Like, I'm just
getting really down now, so.
Oh yeah, you're tired, huh?
Yeah, it's been a long day.
I'm sorry for that.
That's okay, man.
Like, I'm just here to help. But anyway, I'm really glad that I've been, came in around you, and yeah. You too. Thank you, sir. Take care. Hi, sir. Hello?
How you doing, man?
My name is Ibrahim.
Alright.
So I'm kind of here, like, to help you with a few stuff that you probably need. What's your name?
Kenny.
Kenny. How long you been homeless?
I'm not homeless.
Sorry for thinking that you are.
No.
But I do have few stuff here for you if you want.
I won't say no.
Okay. So I actually got like toothbrush with some lip balm right here, and also like some cream and anything that you probably need, some deodorant. So
Deodorant obviously is handy, and the lip balm is good. The toothbrush is good.
yeah, whatever you can use with it.
Toothpaste is good. It makes your breath smell, right?
Yeah.
Especially in the morning.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Anyway, like whatever you can use with it, I'm happy for it. Like you actually, one of the people that I want to give it to. Have a nice day, man, sir.
Oh, don't run away yet. I got something for you too.
Oh, okay.
Don't run away. Let's make the effort to come down and do this for me. And not just me, but for other people.
No, sir. Thank you. Thank
I
you.
got another one for me.
Thank you. But thank you for like for.
I'm not cheap. I'm generous. Put this in your pocket. And God bless you. I got 20 bucks for the night. I'm okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
May the good Lord smile upon you.
Thank you.
Don't worry about it, man. You surprised you a little bit, eh?
Well, I'm shocked right now. Like I don't know what to say. Like I was really hoping that I could, help you with a few stuff, but it's crazy how you can give back.
I do it on the spot. If I have it, I'll do it. May the good Lord smile upon you, man.
Yeah, I can't believe
I got
it.
3 $20 drops last night.
Yeah, I can't really believe it. Anyway, it's getting cold right here, right? I should have even brought like some gloves and all.
I got gloves.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, right here.
I could have just got like a new pair or something, but it's fine. Hopefully I can see you around next
I
time.
got a pair of gloves here. Never mind the rubber ones.
Yeah.
Somebody gave me the yesterday. Pair of gloves. Okay, don't worry.
Anyway, I hope I could go, more than that, because
Don't
it's
worry
crazy
about it.
how, we can just, go to
That
people
stuff's
like
not
this.
free. I know, it costs money.
It is.
I'm helping you a little bit.
Thank you, sir. I might just invest this to do another one, to buy for someone else.
Yeah, what goes around comes around. One hand washes the other. I know. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Not a problem, man.
Alright.
You notice my hands are nice and warm. Yeah.
Yeah, there are one.
Okay, and one more thing. Let me show you something. Remember, that's what it costs. It's for a reason.
Sure.
Really good.
God bless you, sir.
God bless you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you for thinking about the homeless.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I'm not homeless. I got a pipe.
No, you're not. Actually, you're not. You're just waiting. I don't know whatever's
I'm
going
just
on.
watching the fancy cars go by. I was looking at the fancy cars. That's how I'm going here. That is funny. I know it's funny. I'm not looking for a job.
I always want to do certain videos like this. I'm kind of recording right here,
That's
to
alright.
be able to
That's
help
fine.
people like you.
Yeah.
But I never knew that I would actually end up something like this. So I'm really happy for it.
May the good Lord smile upon you. God bless you, sir.
God bless you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Run McDonald's, you have something to eat. Don't worry about it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, man.
Bye.
Have a nice evening.
You too. That's the end. I just go home. I'm really cold, honestly. I should have thought about gloves, some socks and all, to help them with it, but I actually went for something else. And I think either way, I'm happy that I did what I did today, because it's really something that I wanted to do for so long, and I'm happy that I was able to do it today. I think you should be inspired to do the same. If you ever come across like some homeless people, people that doesn't have anything, just keep them as much as you have with you, because one thing can make a big difference, honestly. So if you really enjoyed this video, please tell me in the comments and share it and subscribe, and yeah.